How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolutely gorgeous 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Now this car's got an LS driveline in it. Super nice car. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. All the chrome and stainless on this car is very nice. Now this is painted a torch red and white two-tone. You see all the bumpers, all been replaced. All the taillight bezels and chrome. Nice and straight down the sides. You have to forgive the shadows. It's just that time of day, we got a bunch of shadows from the trees. See how nice all the front end chrome is on this car? Beautiful black and red interior. You can see the dash has been all updated. Got all the classic gauges and instrumentation. Headliner looks real good. All your door jambs nice and shiny, just like the outside of the car. Got four-wheel disc brakes. Battery mounted in the rear. With that big LS motor, just wasn't room up front. Got a built-in battery tender. See how nice the gaps all are? Got the retrofit AM FM stereo in it. You can see your heat and AC controls. Doors shut beautiful in this car. You got the front disc brakes as well as the rears. A nice 5.7 LS motor in it, aluminum radiator, and all your power steering, disc brakes. Got the new updated wiper system in it. Got 2 speeds. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a belt squeak in the front. We'll look at that. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com for all our inventory. Thank you, guys.